honey mustard glazed pork tenderloin. Okay, so I just seasoned this pork tenderloin, which is such a great thing. Lean protein, which we're all looking for right now. Lots of salt and pepper. Hot pan, guys. Don't be afraid of the hot pan. That's what I always teach in my videos, to not be afraid of the hot pan. Get that nice sear, get it together. And then, you know, what we do as chefs as well, which I highly recommend doing for yourselves at home, is think about layering flavors, right? We're gonna put a honey mustard glaze on this, and then we're gonna serve it with a mustard sauce. So we're just always think about reinforcing those flavors and building them within the dish. And I'm going to serve it with some root vegetable puree and some Brussels sprouts. And all of those things kind of have this mustardy flavor. I'm measuring out some honey. So I put a little olive oil in the measuring cup first.
Right.
And then I'm just going to pour it right into my bowl. And look how easy that comes out. So I'm making this little marinade while my pork is searing, because as
was that Worcestershire? What was that one, babe? What was that?
So that was a tablespoon of Worcestershire, which I love.
Gotcha.
It gives such a meatiness, and paprika, which is just a basic smoked paprika. I wanted also for this to be everything that you have in your fridge, in your pantry. If you open your fridge right now, I guarantee you, you have mustard, you have Worcestershire, in your spice cabinet, you've got paprika. So you can make this from every single thing you have at home, and all of this stuff is found in the grocery store. That is what I'm all about as well. Sear that meat, get it going. I'm gonna then glaze it, leave it in the very same pan. I don't have to put it on a sheet pan, and get that going in the oven. This doesn't take long. 375, 8 to 10 minutes, maybe. You know, use your handy dandy thermometer. So now we're making this mustard sauce, a little bit fancy, but I let the shallots absorb some white wine. And you can see that right there. I put some white wine. It's almost like when you're making just this basic beurre blanc, like a cream sauce.
Oh, wow.
You want to You're just infusing flavors. It's not intimidating. Again, this is not an intimidating process. You're just infusing the flavors. And the best part is we're finishing with mustard. So that's giving us big flavor. And don't skimp on the grainy. The grainy mustard to me is what makes it special. A little birdie told me that you don't mind butter and cream. So what I have here in my root vegetable puree, I have butternut squash, I have celery root, I have a little bit of turnip. But just grab all those root veg that are in
and throw them in there. I do this all the time. I never make a mashed potato without a parsnip. And you can throw any of those buddies in the same hot tub. Let them get along.
Everything in the pool. And then when they're soft and you've drained out the water, then you just put a little butter and cream and buzz it up. And this is like your mashed potato, but so much better.
It's so easy.
And I'm going to show you, I have this already rested pork. Look at it. It's glazy. It is beautiful. Perfect. I took it out at 145. Perfect. It's beautiful. It's perfect. So the next step on the mustard sauce, you guys, you just take those shallots out. Listen, if you want to leave them in, do it. That's up to you. But I'm just going to go ahead and whisk in the two mustards, and that's it. This is my dinner tonight.
It's so
I don't know what your dinner is. As chefs, we're always trying to impress and go for all these, you know, higher end recipes, but I find it challenging myself to think about the simple things. It's delicious. And if you really want to get fancy at home, you can shingle a little bit.